Okay, now I will be plotting the armhole dart and the waist dart. We will also have a lesson on the connection of these two darts to make it into an armhole seam, which they also call the princess cut. Okay, now I'll be pinning the black pattern or foundation pattern on this pattern paper. I will mark the corner of the center front and the corner of the neckline. I will mark the center front until the end of the center front, which is the corner of the center front and the adjusted waistline. I will also mark the original waistline. I will mark the corner of the side seam and the corner of the waistline here, and side seam and the end of the dart line here. I'll also mark the dart allowances, and I will mark the corner of the armhole and corner of the side seam, and also mark the side seam line here. Now here, I will mark the neckline curve. Now I will mark the corner of the neckline and the shoulder line, and also the corner of the shoulder line. I will also mark the armhole curve line and the corner of the armhole and the side seam, which I have actually marked. Now I will mark the original tip of the bust point here, and it seems I was not able to mark the end of the upper dart line. Okay, now I can remove this and connect all the markings. I'll start with the center front line. I can start connecting the shoulder line this way, and the armhole I can start connecting this way, and the neckline curve I can connect this way. Then I will connect the dart points this way. I'll connect it with a straight line. I'll connect the waistline with my curve ruler. I can also connect a straight line to show where the original waistline is. Oh, we can actually mark the level of the front chest this way, just to guide us how low we can go down to mark the armhole dart. So from the front chest level, I can go down 1 inch or even here. I just make an estimation. I will see here. And then this should be on a right angle. So I will connect the tip of the bust down to the waistline until the edge of the front bodice pattern. Now I can cut the outline of the center front line. The neckline, the shoulder line, the side seam I can cut this way first, and the armhole I can already cut. I will be cutting the waistline. I will cut the waist dart line. I will cut the armhole dart line. Okay. Now I can fold the regular bust dart by folding the lower dart line and aligning it to the upper dart line this way. I can pin this together or tape it permanently. Now that this dart is open, the dart allowance more or less should be equal here and here on the armhole dart and on the waist dart this way. So I'm going to tape this together. I prefer to tape individually because I have more control of the taping. Okay, from the tip of the bust point, I will go down 1 inch. I will move the tip of the bust point 1 inch down. Then I will connect this to the end of the dart point, and also here I'll connect it downwards. So this will be our waist dart. Now here, for the armhole dart, I will tape these together. Now that I have taped another piece of pattern paper here, I will go up 1 inch. From the tip of the bust point, I will go up 1 inch, and I will connect this to the end of the dart line this way. There. The regular bust dart may be taped permanently. Now the waist dart, I can fold this dart line and I will align it to the other dart line this way. Okay, I can pin this together and then just cut this, and I will also fold this dart line of the armhole dart and fold it this way. I will again pin this together so I can show you how to cut the armhole curve. So now I can also connect the side seam marks by using the curve ruler. From this point, I will connect from the corner of the armhole and the side seam. I will connect to the corner of the side seam and the waistline this way. Then I will cut this also. We now have the final pattern of a bodice with an armhole dart and a waist dart.